My name is Glenda McKay. I'm an Ingalik-Athabascan. I was raised by my mother, aunts, and grandmother who were from the small Alaskan villages of Ambic and Flat. My grandmother was the sole supporter of our family and a hard worker. She taught us to respect the game, birds, fish, and ocean mammals that sacrifice for us. Every part of the animal became food, clothing, shelter, tools, or a work of art. We prayed that their spirits would return in the afterworld so that our lifestyles could continue. My grandmother, aunts, and mother made intricate beadwork, quillwork, and clothing. We've used the colorful wildflower and flora designs for hundreds of years by replicating them on baskets, cradle boards, clothing, and bags. Their beauty teaches us balance and precision. I still hunt and gather everything for my detail creations. I create dolls in honor and remembrance of people I've met and stories told to me by my elders. My artwork continues to honor my family, ancestors, and Athabascan heritage.
Hopa, Hello, my name is Loren Aragon. I was raised at Acoma Pueblo, which is a historic community located 60 miles west of Albuquerque, New Mexico. Because we live in an arid semi-desert, all of our ceremonies, stories, and prayers focus on invoking rain. Acoma is renowned for its exquisite pottery, which is made from precious rainwater, natural clay, and pottery shards. The pots have renderings of animals, plants, and rainstorms, all of which provide us sustenance. In our art, we honor flying creatures like dragonflies that gather around water sources. My mother and grandmother continued this tradition as potters and fill the air of ceremonial outfits. As a child, they gifted me with a love of precise design, as well as the needed discipline and dedication. Today, I apply these aesthetics in my fashion during the venue. I strive to reflect their elegance, and in doing so, wish to share the beauty of our culture with all people.
Juanita Growing Thunder Fogarty in Makiapi. Kaya Yahi Matakiapi. Chante Washte Yuha Chi Yujapi. Hello, my name is Juanita Growing Thunder Fogarty. I am a Assiniboine Sioux from the Fort Peck Reservation, Montana. We consider ourselves a horse culture because horses enabled our ancestors to travel the Great Plains. We honor our horses in the same way we honor our leaders, by making finely beaded headdresses for them. Bead and quill work have been in my family for generations. It is a living spiritual art. We create to honor our ancestors in the natural world. Each cradleboard, doll, item of clothing, or headdress conveys our identity and homeland. Stories of the star people, the mountains, lakes, and skies are retold in the borders of buffalo robes, teepee covers, and winter cow hides. As we bead, we pray, sing, and tell stories so that each work is filled with gratitude, honor, and sometimes loss. My creations are inspired by dreams, by stories told at family gatherings, or stories shared as we bead together around the table. Our lifestyle has prevailed over the centuries, and now it is my duty and my blessing to carry on this beautiful legacy.